Looking for a reliable and easy way to create a custom QR code for your business? Hey, it's Auret here with Estetino Media, always helping you create profitable content. And in today's video, I want to share a free QR code generator tool with you that I've been using for my clients to help them put QR codes on when I design their business cards or other marketing materials. Now this tool is called Beaconstac, as you can see here. I'm on the site. And I particularly like this tool because it allows you to create QR codes that, number one, actually work. Number two, they allow you to create pretty cool looking codes because you can customize them with your logo or your colors. And number three, they provide analytics, which I really love. So you can track your QR codes, improve the campaigns that you're using them on, and basically allow customers to engage with you in an easy way. So let me show you how this works. I'm on the page right now, and you can see here at the top the different options that we have here. So this is telling us the different kinds of QR codes that we can create. There is a simple, I just want this code to go to a URL. So you put the URL in here. You can create digital business cards that look a little bit something like this, where you can upload your image, your colors, and your information so that when they scan it, all of your contact info comes up and the call to action is to actually add you as a contact in their phone. We also have, you can create a QR code for a menu like you see here. And by the way, I'll go back to one of these and show you how to customize it in a second here. We also have a tab that allows you to scan the QR code, and it either goes directly to one of your socials, or you can add multiple links to different social media platforms within this QR code. You can have a QR code for getting someone to download an app if you like, so it takes them straight to the app store on their phone, to download a PDF, to show a particular location, to send them a text message, to call, you can see here there's a lot of versatility. And even when I drop down this little menu, there are more options to, for example, send an email, have them download an MP3, coupons, and an image as well. So there's some really cool stuff that you could use this. What I use this the most, I would say, is either setting up digital business cards or having it go to a specific link. So with any one of these, you can just come into it, click on it, and then enter in the content that you want to have. Just basically follow the prompts. Let's say I want it to go to this URL here. And then there's also a customization area where you can either select from one of their templates, as you see here. When you're looking at these templates, you'll notice some of them have crowns on them. And that just basically means you do need a paid account in order to use these QR codes. But they have a couple free ones here, and it's pretty cool because you could just use the free ones and come into the color tab and choose, for example, your brand color, and just really customize that. And this, by the way, would be free. You'd be able to download this QR code. You don't need to create an account, and you'll be able to use it. Like, once I'm happy with this, I just click on download QR code. And this does pop up here, inviting you to start a 14-day free trial, but you can just close out of that, and your QR code will be in your downloads folder, as you see here. And that's, it's downloaded as a PNG, or you can also download it as any one of these other elements, but again, you do need an account for that. The PNG is usually, it works fine if you just need a quick QR code that goes somewhere and you can slap it on your business card or something. But if you want a little bit more customization, like for example, uploading your logo. This part's really cool because it'll add the logo on your QR code for branding. You can even adjust what's called the eye color. So these are the big areas here in the corners, and you can change the shape of the eyes here as well. You can change the way the pattern on the QR code looks. You can change the frame, it can be a circle instead of a square if you prefer that. We actually use this for our business cards, and it's different. It looks pretty cool because you usually do see the square QR codes. So like I said, you can come into any one of these and start customizing a free QR code for yourself and download it right away and start using it. If you want to use any of these customizations with the crowns, or if you want to come back to the QR code to update it later, or track analytics, or anything that involves a little bit more customization and you coming back to that QR code, then you will need an account. And it's pretty easy to create an account. They actually offer 14-day free trial so you can play around with it yourself. And I've included a link in the description for you so you can start a 14-day free trial if you like. Keep in mind, after those 14 days, the QR code will stop being functional, but all of your data is saved. Like, that QR code won't go away, so you don't have to create it from scratch if you decide to reactivate it again at a later date. You all have your analytics and you'll have all of the customizations. It basically just turns the QR code back on if you choose to move forward and purchase one of their plans. So if this looks helpful to you, make sure you click on the link in the description below to start creating your custom QR code. And thank you so much for watching.